Hi guys, welcome back to Eating the African Way. I'm called Julie, or you can call me Tina. My channel is Tina Jules. Today we had a very amazing and exciting morning. I think I should go back to the beginning.
Yeah, we need to rewind back.
Yeah, we should rewind back. We went on a train trip, or a train experience.
So earlier today, we left our homes and decided to take you on a trip. We wanted to show you the Ugandan train, the only train we have. We went to what was the place? Namamve, which costed us around 2,000 Ugandan shillings. We met one of the operators in the train.
Yeah.
So he's going to give us more information just in seconds from now. But we wanted to take you through a journey, and then later we go somewhere, we eat. Now we're having our breakfast. Then later we're going to have lunch from this same place.
I'm by the names of Singer John Bachenda. I work as a passenger train inspector, and I work on this commuter train. Basically, the commuter train does travels within town. It doesn't go very far, like from here to Tororo. No. This one here stops in Namamve, and the first route begins very early in the morning at 6:40 from Namamve, bringing passengers from Namamve to Kampala. It begins at 6:40, then reaches Kampala at 13 minutes past 7. Then the second one leaves Kampala, goes back to pick passengers at exactly 7:50 from Namamve to Kampala, and then reaches at Kampala at 25 minutes past 8. So that's it.
What are the fares?
The fares is on the one route goes for only 2,000. That's from Kampala to Namamve. Yes. Also deal in tours, like school tours. In a day we have 4 trips. 2 trips in the morning and 2 trips in the evening. Yes. And I call upon all Ugandans to come and use that train, most especially those people who work outside town. It's preferably, and it's very cheap. We work on time. Yes, and exactly when time reaches, we leave. We don't wait.
The trip from Namamve to Kampala.
It's only 30 minutes more 30 minutes.
30 minutes from Kampala to Namamve?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Should we share what we are having? What do you have?
Yeah.
What is on your plate?
I have matoke, which is green bananas.
Yes.
I have rice. I have greens, which is nakati. I don't know the English name. And then I have some beef.
So basically, we are having the same foods, and this is one of the million breakfasts you're going to find in Uganda. We have so many. We have varieties of foods which you can choose from. So we decided to have this as we wait for lunch, for our
and a
lunch.
glass of juice.
There are 2 glasses actually.
Passion fruit juice. One is acting as a tripod.
Oh. So, but this is going to cost around 4,000 Ugandan shillings. We'll convert that in other currencies so that you can get the right conversion. And also, this place is located along Loom Street, Speak Street. So it's a small space. It is hard to find, but there is a small door you can see on the screen right now. That is where you go inside. This is where you're going to find all these varieties.
I'm always on Loom Street, but I've never eaten here because people don't know me. So I work on Loom Street, but I've never eaten here. This is my first time.
You work along Loom Street?
Yeah. Ego Plaza.
Ego Plaza. Street. What do you do? People watching the video might want to know what you do.
I do interior design. I deal in curtains, cushions, bed covers, anything interior. But mainly curtains and cushions and throw blankets, all those things.
Yeah, and also you're a YouTuber.
And I'm a YouTuber now.
I'm going to drop a link in my description box. Please check her out. Yeah. So how was your day? How did it go? The train? How was the experience? You have been to Kenya.
Yeah. I took the SGR.
Yeah.
I took the other one,
the first one, the same as this one.
The same as this one, and then the SGR.
So how was the experience?
It was nice. I actually had I've been in Uganda for years. I was born here and I've never taken a train in Uganda.
Yeah, me too.
So
that was the first one.
Exciting experience. The ride was smooth. There are no issues. There's some entertainment in case you're there. But then it's not a long stretch, so it's like a 30-hour
30 minutes.
ride. 30 minutes. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's clean. The seats are very comfortable. It's amazing. And for those that live on Ginger Road, is it Ginger Road?
Yeah, let us say Ginger Road, Mukono,
Lugazira. Guys,
not Lugazira, Lugazira.
Guys, if you live in Mukono, there is no reason as to why you should be taking a taxi.
Actually, we
because
saw
of that traffic.
some cars parked. They park their cars and take the train because it's so affordable. A trip is 2K, 2,000 Ugandan shillings. That is almost not even $1. Those are cents.
And you don't find traffic. Like it's smooth, 30 minutes and you're in town. And on that road, you'll sit for hours for you to be able to get to town.
Yeah, but we see where we're going right now. There's that improvement that is coming in, that development. Yeah, soon everything will be okay. We need to take the baby steps. I know some of you are going to complain about it, but this is what we have. We should treasure it. We should love it, support them, so that we can.
I can do better. The more you support them, the more they are able to invest in better trains, and better services. But as for now, I'm very impressed. The train was very nice. It's clean. The seats are new. So
Yeah, they are trying to make it clean and also accessible to all the people along the way. We saw kids on the tour.
yeah. Kids come and tour see the train, experience
And also they
the
keep
train.
time. They always tell us people in East Africa don't keep time. Most people in Uganda, but these guys keep time. They keep time. So, come ready.
This is Nico's favorite part.
Eating, that's why I started this video when we are eating. Now I can end it and I go back home.
He wanted food the entire train ride.
But I haven't eaten
He was like,
anything.
I'm hungry.
My stomach was empty. Because from my bed, after cleaning up, I just moved out. And also what we forgot to mention is that this glass of juice is going to cost you 2,000 Ugandan shillings. So everything is cent, not even $1, cent.
And the juice is very fresh. It's passion fruit juice.
But also there's enough security on the train.
Yeah.
I saw that there's enough security on the
There's
train.
security, so I don't think there are any theft issues. There are policemen, I saw army guys, and then the inspectors themselves are moving around quite often.
And they are so friendly.
They are very friendly.
They're willing
are
to
so
help.
helpful.
Share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell us what you want to see next. Tell us what you think about this place. It's so busy and looks so tiny, but they have amazing foods, most delicious foods you're going to enjoy in Kampala.
And the women are very hardworking.
Friendly, hardworking. They are willing to help.
Yeah. They're very hardworking.
Even the customers are coming in to enjoy their food. So they're behind the camera. We don't want to interrupt their
Privacy.
Their foodlicious privacy. That was it for the journey and also for the breakfast. We are also going to wait for our lunch. I don't know what I'm going to have, but there's so plenty you can choose from. So we are going to be here. We don't want to move because I think we have moved a lot.
Yeah.
It was enough. So enjoy the journey, enjoy the foods until the end of this video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, visit Tina Jules, Tina Jules channel. I'm going to drop her link in the description box, even her name on the screen, as you're seeing right now. We are here to spread love, we are here to spread food, we are here to eat together. So let's eat.
In case you haven't visited Uganda, please do. There is so much to offer, there is so much to see. And in case you're coming to Uganda, look for him.
I do food tours. There are so many people have taken around the Kampala footwear experience and they enjoyed everything. Even some of them gave me cash bonus, because they did not expect what I gave them.
That's
It was
nice. You see, he has given me a tour, yet I'm a local. I've never been here.
You're going to pay me. You're going to pay, don't worry.
Okay.
I saw enough money in your...
Why were you looking in my bag?
All right. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching until the end. So the place we went to where we had our breakfast from, it was hijacked by so many people. So we decided to move out to look for another option. So we decided to come back to Gaddafi's place, where there's nyama choma, one of the best nyama chomas you're going to find in Uganda. You have seen this place. Last time I gave you all the information you want to know from this place, but also I'm going to provide his information in the description box. So we have ordered something, that ribs. We have ordered ribs. What else are you going to have? Matoke. So
One piece.
Only one piece. So we are going to have that for our lunch, and then we'll close the video. But the main purpose for this video, it wasn't about food, but you know this channel is about food. We wanted to show you the train.
An experience. Most Ugandans don't use train, don't even know that it still exists. So that's why he was trying to bring you guys back.
Yeah. We need to show you what we have. Yeah. So
we're not only famous for boda bodas.
Yeah,
we also have train.
For the chaotic city. For boda bodas.
We have a train. So in case you come to Uganda, try it out.
Yeah, you need to try it out.
Look for him to take you to these beautiful spots.
I'm right here.
I'm in Kampala and I've never been to Gaddafi's place.
I imagine he works nearby.
And I work nearby, so it is a very good experience.
Even there are some Ugandans who say they have never seen Salawano. In the comment section, but I'm going to do that video a different style, the Ugandan way, because I think that wasn't a Ugandan way.
It was modernized a bit.
No, it is, I think, Rwandi's way. Yeah, and also European way. But there's what we have. I have that video on this channel, but I'm going to redo it so that you can get the right Salawano.
That is the aroma here.
The aroma is from everywhere.
I can't wait.
So let me show you what is happening. Actually, let me show you. One thing we forgot to tell you is the location of the train. Yeah, where you find it. It's along Nasa Road, opposite
Nudiam House.
Nudiam House, near Victoria University.
On the left.
Where there is First Technology House.
Yeah, where the permits are going to be issued out from.
Yes. Yeah. So that is the location. And also we ordered for one of the best nyama choma parts, which is the ribs. Yeah? They have those parts that makes it look so tender, look so inviting, look so delicious, look so juicy. Anytime from now, we are going to enjoy this, and we close the video. So don't go anywhere, keep watching until the end. Is there anything you want to say before we go to that last part?
I've had so much fun touring with Eating the African Way with Nico. I've seen new places, I've experienced new foods, not new foods, but different cooking styles.
Yeah, even
so
the places.
I've had so much fun. And I'm still enjoying. I can't wait for the meat. You see, I'm distracted because the meat is over there.
The smoke, eh? Hey,
and also the meat smells nice, so I can't wait.
Okay, let's go and eat. Let's go and eat.
My brothers, my sisters, remember your heritage. The African continent.
But I think we have captured something for you to watch, something beautiful, and you have seen a new face today. Tina. Meat alone, nyama choma alone, without kachumbari, without the matoke, it's going to cost you 20,000 Ugandan shillings. Tell us your experience, how it has been from the start until now.
Yeah.
Oh, I left my bed when I was so sleepy, and even I had to take a break and sleep for like
10 minutes.
10 minutes. I wanted 20. By the time keeper was...
I said 10 minutes. Why you wanted to sleep? It was too hot.
How is it?
It's nice.
Nice. But thank you so much for keeping yourself on Eating the African Way. If this is your first time to be here with us, call me Nicholas. Subscribe and invite other people to be part of this. She's
Yeah.
Tina Jules.
Yeah.
That is our channel name.
Sorry, I'm not talking. This thing is yummy.
Yes, some people are not supposed to talk when they are eating. It is in our culture, but for the video, we have to talk.
Because they experience that food through your lens. Guys, it's yummy. And the meat is ready.
That's why I trust Mr. Gaddafi.
Kati omudu genda okubeera lwaki oluwaba oli bwaba nakuweka nojuliza kibeera mu dduuka omwaka zirya ki ati obuzibu bwe buli abantu bagula nnyo ebbeeyi lwaki omuntu okukwata zino sente z'omulundi gwagenda agule kibeerawo biri mu supamaketi waliwo kino nyo mu supamaketi.
That was it for now. I think I'll catch up in the next video. What do you think? Yeah, let me close it here. Is there anything you want to say, or we just close it?
No, you can close it.
Can close it. Okay. Thank you so much for being part of our lives, our channels. Tina Jules, Eating the African Way. Subscribe, like the video, share before the comment section. I'm signing up now. Bye bye. Love you all.